Hello viewers, welcome to Learning All Tutor. Today we are going to play a game called Pictionary, and for that we have two players, Shirisha and Namish.
Hello.
So to play this game, I will tell a small object secretly in the ear of the participant, and the participant has to go and draw that object, and the other participant has to identify what is that object. If the other participant is able to identify, then the participant one will get a point. If the other participant is not able to identify, then he will lose the point. Okay, let's get started. Okay,
Yeah.
so I'm going to tell the first object to Namish, and he will go and draw.
Nice, easy, lemon squeezy.
Draw it.
Not that
Okay, draw. You have to stay. You have to stay here. Once after you finish, you will come back, and then you have to go forward and guess what is that.
clean. The finger is perfect.
Are you done? Come back. Go and guess what is that.
Hat.
No.
Watermelon.
No.
One. See, I will tell you one joke. See, when we go outside, we will think something. Water. Sorry. Water.
Okay. So Srisha is not able to guess it, which means that you lost 1 point.
Ah!
Yes. You are not drawing yet. So I will tell the next object to Srisha. Okay. Come on, Srisha. Draw it. Okay. Namish, come forward and guess what is that?
Fish eye not easy.
So the next object I am going to tell Namish. Go and draw. Okay, ready? Srisha, come forward and guess what is that?
Clock.
Okay, so the next object I am going to tell Srisha. Okay, Namish, come forward and guess what is that?
Apple.
Yes, you guessed it right.
Okay,
So in this game, both Srisha and Namish got 2 points each. Congratulations. Okay, so this will keep kids busy and also increase their creativity and also enhance their drawing skills. Thanks for watching.
Bye bye. Bye. Please like this video